Hello, all you wonderful people of YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get right to it. So today I'm doing an acrylic tree ring pour. It's part leftover day because I'm using the same colors that I used on my last painting. I've got sort of a maroon, burgundy, wine, dark red-ish, purplish color. I've got red, and I've got pink. No additives other than a little bit of PVA glue and water. And I'll also be using silver. And again, no additives other than water and PVA glue. And I'm doing this on a blank canvas, no paint. And I'm just going to prepare a dirty cup, starting off with silver on the bottom. A bit more. For no real reason, just because I want to. And then I'll dump each color in and put silver in between. I have done some tree ring pours in the past. I haven't done one in a while, so I felt like doing one. And I should have enough paint. I guess I'll find out shortly. And I'm just trying to swirl the silver around, just because oftentimes when you pour the paint in, it just kind of sinks to the bottom. But I want to try to have sort of a layer in between each of the reds. As I pour the paint in, we'll see if I'm successful or not, or as I pour the paint out, I should say. But that's my intent anyway. So we'll see how it goes. Takes care of that, and so some more silver. And because I was near the bottom of the bottle, I didn't bother putting the silver into a cup. Just seems like an extra unnecessary step for no real reason to me. And now we go with the pink. Oops. That's it for the pink, and a little silver on top, because why not? Depending on how much this spreads, I may have to put a little extra paint in the corners, but I suspect with the size of the canvas, I should be just fine. So, starting in the middle, we just slowly pour in a circular motion. Or what I intend to be circular. There, that's all right. And I just keep moving it in a circle without otherwise moving the hands, just trying to stay right in the middle, or as close as I can get. As I do this, the circle of paint, of course, gets larger and larger on the canvas as it works its way out. Might have used a little too much silver. That's all right. I'll just keep going until I run out of paint. Trying to slowly and evenly pour the paint out. Seem to get a few clumps here and there, but that's all right. And again, just trying to keep the paint in one spot as I'm pouring it on. And it'll just spread out as I keep adding more and more. Obviously we're on a bit of a tilt. You can see that the paint is running in one direction. I would have preferred if it were staying still, but that's all right. Not a real big deal. Almost done. Just going to give it a quick torch to get rid of any air bubbles, and then we'll swirl it around a bit. You can already see quite a tree ring, concentric ring effect. And I'll just slowly move it around. Bit of a circular motion. Those air bubbles, as I'm moving this around, are causing a bit of a cell sort of look, and that's all right. There were no additives that would really cause any selling otherwise. Trying to move it in sort of a circular motion so we can keep the sort of ring effect but still get full coverage. Alright, I think we have to add just a little bit of paint along the edges here just to get things moving. Let's see here. Just spread it on a tiny bit. Just because the paint will move much better on a wet canvas, of course, than a dry. I just need a little bit. Almost done. I just want to make sure I get all the corners. And again, trying to do sort of a circular motion. It's a bit of a lopsided circle, but that's all right. A little more paint. Just going to scoop up what's there, because why not? I was pretty sure that that full cup would have been enough, but I was clearly mistaken. That's all right. Almost got full coverage at this point. just a tiny bit more to go here. And that does it for that. Just going to cheat on the last little bit, get the sides. Alright, I think that's going to do it. I did see a few little lumpy bits. Actually, I'll go ahead and torch it again because I'm not sure if they're lumpy bits or air bubbles. No lumpy bits. No, I still see some there. Goodness. In that area. There we are. That'll do it. Okay. All right. So I'm not gonna have to worry about letting that sit for a while. As I said, there's no real additives added other than the PVA glue. And the water. Let's go ahead and get a bit of a close-up on that. Alright, so that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see all you wonderful people next time.